Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if your YouTube is not working or if it is showing a black screen. So for some reason, if your YouTube is not working, the first thing that you should check is that if your YouTube has been updated or not. So you can simply go to the Google Play Store for that. Go to Google Play Store and you can simply go towards this corner icon right here. Here you can go to Manage Apps. And if there's any update available for any application, you will going to see here. As you can see that there are no update availables for YouTube, and I have recently updated my YouTube. And you should also check if there's any update available for your YouTube. If there's any update available, it will come right here. You can simply click on it and update your YouTube, and that should resolve the issue on YouTube not working. And if it still does not resolve the issue, what you can simply do is you can go to the top right corner in the settings. And in the settings, you can go to the apps right here. And in the apps, you can go to YouTube. And you can click on Force Stop and click OK. After doing that, you can open your YouTube again. And this time it should open right up. So I hope it was helpful and it resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.